I like to solve problems with Power Apps by creating really easy to use apps that anyone can put together. They're low to no coding, so you don't need to have any coding expertise, and you can build your own customized business apps, so they can solve a lot of different problems. I think what Power Apps is great for is allowing different users to enter data into a centralized location and having even different types of users enter different pieces of that data. For example, I helped set up a referral Power App where doctors would enter in referrals that their patients needed, and then our referral scheduling staff were able to go and see the same data in a different app, but using the same data set. And they could enter in the referrals to communicate back to doctors that they were scheduled. And it was great because it didn't take that long to set this app up. We didn't need any kind of coding or software expertise. I could just set it up exactly the way we needed, and we could go from there. If you have an idea for a business app that you think would really help out your team, but maybe you don't have access to the coding expertise that could help you build it, just let us know and we will help you build it through Power Apps.